What is up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your PLDT Wi-Fi password really easily. So first, simply make sure your device is connected to your PLDT Wi-Fi network. From there, you then have to open a browser and go to the address that I'm going to show on screen. So this will then take you to the router login page. So from there, you can then enter your username and password. So if you haven't changed them before, the default is usually going to be the admin. So once you're logged in, you then have to go to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section. Then simply look for the SSID or password. From there, you then have to type in your new Wi-Fi password and save the changes and restart your router if needed. So after that, simply reconnect your devices using the new password and you're all set. So that's it. So your PLDT Wi-Fi is going to be secured with a fresh password. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.